Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss important topics for UPSC Prelims 2020, right? UPSC Prelims 2020, and this is the sixth part, friends, right? This is the part sixth of such kind of important topics, right, friends? You can visit the rest of the five videos, five parts, right, friends? Then you can visit for this, right? Next, you can call me for this on this number, following number, for personal guidance, right? So next we see further. So these are few details about me. You can visit here, and these are my offline batches going on. So without getting delayed, we will start important topics, friends, right? So the first topic of this video is citizenship, right, friends? So citizenship amendment bill, you have to read along with citizenship chapter from the Lakshmikant, right, friends? So citizenship is the first topic, and the second topic is India State of Forest Report, right, friends? India State of Forest Report, India State of Forest Report. Next topic we will see the topic of adjournment motion. Adjournment motion, right, friends? Read about adjournment motion. Next, read about Loktak Inland Waterways Project, right? So Loktak Inland Waterways Project, Loktak Inland Waterways Project, right? The next topic is Pashupati Temple, right, friends? So read about Pashupati Temple, where it was located and what are the important statistic points regarding it. So you have to cover entirely, right? So next topic is Atal Innovation Mission, Atal Innovation Mission. Read about this thing. Next, read about She Box, why the She Box is meant for and in which year it was launched. So read about it. Next, Operation Clean Art, Operation Clean Art, right? Operation Clean Art. Next, Grey Mongoose. So read about this thing, Grey Mongoose, right, friends? Read about Grey Mongoose. Next, Treaty of Maastricht, right, friends? So let me write Treaty of Maastricht, MAASTRICHT, right, friends? So this treaty is very much important, and it was in news as well. So for this reason, you have to cover these things, right? So next topic is India National Action Plan on AMR, right? India, that is National Action Plan on AMR. And what is the Global Action Plan on AMR? Read about these two things, right, friends? Next topic is National Commission of Farmers, National Commission of Farmers, right, friends? So next topic we will see, that is instrument of, that is INSTEX, right, friends? That is INSTEX. It stands for Instrument in Support of Trade Exchange, Instrument in Support of Trade Exchange, right, friends? Next topic is, we will see, that is Motor Vehicle Act, right? It was very much frequently in news, so read this topic very much thoroughly, friends, right? That is Motor Vehicle Act, and what is the previous Motor Vehicle Act provisions, friends, and why it was in news. So please go through it, right? So next topic we will see about a UNAIDS, right? So UNAIDS, United Nations AIDS, right? So read about this organization as well, this institution as well. So next we will see about the antiretroviral therapy, antiretroviral therapy. So what does it mean, antiretroviral therapy, and why it was used and why it was in news as well? So read about it, right? So next we will see about, read about tiger population, read about tiger population, read about tiger census. So questions in UPSC can be asked in such a format, that is, recently in the recent census, tiger population of this state has been grown tremendously, or grown since past 5 years. So you need to cover in the past 5 years questions as well, that is past 5 years data as well, right friends? So you need to prepare in this way. Next, Mission Indradhanush 2.0. Mission Indradhanush 2.0. Read about this. It is very much important, friends, right? And read about various committees like committee on education, committee on health, committee on railway, committee on derailment, etc. Right, friends? So these things you should be done. Next, read about the TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, right friends? Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Next, read about UDAN, that is उड़े देश का आम नागरिक, right? Next, PM ASHA scheme, right friends? PM ASHA scheme. So what does this PM ASHA stands for? That is Pradhan Mantri Antyodaya Aaya Sanrakshan Abhiyan, right friends? Next topic we will read about this exchange traded fund, right friend? Exchange traded fund, right? So next topic stands for, that is PM Kisan Yojana, PMKY. So what does this PMKY stands for? That is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana, right friends? Next topic stands, that is Urban Corporation Banks, right friends? Urban Corporation Banks. Next topic is Operation Prahar. What does this Operation Prahar stands for and why it was used, right friends? Next topic is IPCC. Read about the IPCC. Next, read about the Manrega, MGNREGA, right friends? Next topic stands, that is USISPF, right friends? USISPF. What does it stand for? That is United States India Strategic Partnership Forum. Next topic is Lokpal and Lokyukta Act of 2013. Lokpal and Lokyukta Act of 2013. It is very much important, friends. Read out about this, because recently a chairman has been appointed for this and the logo has been created. So for this purpose it was in news, and read thoroughly this topic, right? Next, read about the HDI, that is Human Development Index. Next, UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Read about this. Next, ease of doing business. Next, UNFCCC's COP25, right friends? So read about it. COP25, it was in news. Next, Arms Act Bill, that is Arms Bill 2019. It was replacing 1959, friends, right? It was replacing 1959. Arms Bill 2019. It was replacing 1959, right friends? 1959. So read about it. Next, World Anti-Doping Agency, right? World Anti-Doping Agency, right? Next topic we see that is Western disturbances from geography, friends. Next is Nanavati Mehta Committee, right friends? That is Nanavati Mehta Committee, right friends? This and various other kind of committees as well you need to cover, friends, right? So next topic we will see here, that is International Finance Services Center Authority Bill 2019, right? That is IFSC, International Financial Service Center Authority Bill 2019 bill, friends, right? So you need to cover this. Next topic is NPPA, and the next topic is National Ganga Council, right? And the other topic is UPI. Read about UPI from grassroots, friends. It is very much important. Next, we will see about the India Digital Payment Report, right? Next topic is Khyber Pass Economic Corridor. Khyber Pass Economic Corridor. Let me write the Khyber spelling here. Khyber. Khyber Pass Economic Corridor. This corridor is very much important. So go through it and read about various other economic corridors as well in India, right? So next topic we will see about the cyber attack. Cyber attack, right? Various cyber attacks, they are very much in news, so read about it. Next we will see about the Pathalgadi movement. Pathalgadi movement. So what do you understand by the Pathalgadi movement and when it was occurred, right friends? Pathalgadi movement. Next topic we will see, that is UIDAI. Read about UIDAI. Next, World Refugee Forum. World Refugee Forum, right? World Refugee Forum. Next, Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project. Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project, right? Next thing is Industrial Security Annex. Industrial Security Annex. So next topic we will see about GSOMIA. Read about GSOMIA, right? Next, read about the topic, that is Pinaka, right? Pinaka. Next topic is Digital Communication Commission. Digital Communication Commission. What is the work of this commission? So read about these things, right? Digital Communication Commission. Next topic is Operation Twist. Operation Twist, right friends? Next is Mansabdari system and read about various other kind of systems as well. Now Mansabdari system, right friends? Mansabdari system. Next, read about the various other kind of systems as well, right friends? So what it was prevail in our history. Next, read about Paleo 3. What does it mean, Paleo 3? Next, read about the Census Act of 1948. Census Act of 1948. Next, read about Bird Atlas, right? Bird Atlas project. Read about Bird Atlas project, right? Next, read about bar-headed geese. So let me write the spelling of this here. So bar-headed geese, GEESE, right? So next topic is solar eclipse. Solar eclipse. Read about the solar eclipse. Next topic is read about Rothang Pass, Rothang Tunnel, right? Rothang Tunnel, it was in news, so for this reason you need to cover this topic, friends, right? So next topic is 5G spectrum. Read about 5G spectrum, right? So next is gross non-performing assets. Gross non-performing assets. What do you understand by the gross non-performing assets, right friends? Next topic is Sun's Corona. Read about the static facts about the Sun's, SUN, right? So let me erase this. Next, Sun Corona. Right friends, read about the sun's corona. What does the temperature and whether it is liquid, solid, whatever it is. So read about entire topic, friends, right? Whatever the source you might be followed, you can follow, but make sure that you are covering these topics, right? So next question will topic we will see about, that is merchant discount rate, right friends? Merchant discount rate. Read about merchant discount rate. Next index is governance index, right? Governance index. Read about governance index. Next, CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force. Read about this thing. Next, cyclone Sarai. Cyclone Sarai. So let me write the spelling of Sarai, SARAI, right friends? Cyclone Sarai. Next topic, and this is the last topic of this video, friends, that is India's SDGs score, right friends? India's SDGs score, right? So you need to cover all these topics, friends. So again, I will come with some other videos, friends, right? So make sure that you are covering these topics, and it will cover approximately 50 questions from these topics, friends, right? So don't miss any of this video, friends. So it's my humble request to you. So please go through it. Whatever the source you want to follow, you may follow, but make sure that you are covering all these topics, friends, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video, friends. So please do subscribe for Acquire IAS, and if you are feeling any inconvenient, so please let me know in the comment section, friends. So if you need some kind of PPTs for these videos, even you can tell me in these things in comment sections, friends, right? So but the time is very short. For this purpose, I was not presenting you a PPT, friends, right? I was not providing you a PPT for this reason, right, friends? So that is it for this video, friends. Thank you very much. Have a great day.